Uh, Good day, viewers. We are welcome to the sixth lecture in GSE 212, Basic General Mathematics for Colleges of Education 3. In our last lecture, the fifth lecture, we discussed on the liter, where we have given the example of the definition of liter, the basic unit of liter, and we have solved some examples in liter. So today we are going to discuss on time. Time is used to measure how long an event happened. Time is used to measure how long an event happened, and time is what a clock measured. So, and on that time we have table of description that is saying 1 second equivalent to 1 second, 1 minute equivalent to 60 seconds. 1 hour is equivalent to 3,600 seconds, which is equivalent to 60 minutes. Then 24 hours is equivalent to 1 day. 7 days is equivalent to 1 week. 4 weeks is equivalent to 1 month. 12 months, 1 year. 52 weeks, 1 year also. 365 days, 1 year also. And we have also two examples on the board to solve. Example 1 is saying how many minutes are there in A, 150 seconds, B, 4.5 hours. Then 2, A is saying how many hours are there in 5 days. Then B is saying how many weeks is in 10 years. So now we should solve these questions on the board to see the solution. The solution of 1A. 1A said we should find the minutes in this 150 seconds. So now we should go back to the table. And we said on the table, we said 1 minute is equivalent to 60 seconds. And here it has been given in seconds, and we are looking for the minutes. That means we should say that 150 divided by 60. It's very simple and straightforward. This is a very simple course. So this is very simple. Here we can say 10 here, 6. 10 here is 15. We can also reduce it. 3 here is 2. 3 here is 5. Therefore, we are left with 5 over 2. So we are looking for the minutes. Therefore, we should convert this into improper fraction. We say that 2 into 5, it will go how many times? It will go 2 times. Remember what? Remember 1 then over 2. That is 2.5 minutes. So the minutes in 150 seconds is 2.5 minutes. Then we should go to 1B. 1B is talking about is 4.5 hours, and we should find the minutes that is that is in 4.5 hours. 4 1 over 2. Let's write it boldly. 4 whole number 1 over 2, the same as 4.5 hours. So now we are given this in hour and we are looking for the minute. So first of what we need to do is we should make this to an improper fraction. You know, improper fraction is a type of fraction in which the numerator is bigger than the denominator. The numerator is number at the top and the denominator is number at the bottom. Therefore, we say that 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9 over 2. Then remember, we are looking for the minutes. Then we say times, and we say each minute is equivalent to 60. 60 seconds is equivalent to 1 minute. So we say times 60. What next? We can simply say that 2 here, 1, 2 here is 30. Therefore, we have 9 times 30. So therefore, we have 9 times 30, which is going to give us 270 minutes. That is the answer. Then we go to 2A. 2A says how many hours are there in 5 days. We said each one day, 24 hours. Okay. The solution of 2A, hours in 5 days. We are looking for the hours in 5 days, and we say 24-hour is equivalent to 1 day. So here we are looking for the what? For the hours in 5 days. That is very simple. We just have to say that 5 times 24, which is going to give us 120. That is 120 days. Simple and straightforward. Then 2B says how many weeks are there in 10 years? How many weeks are there in 10 years? We just have to go back to the table. 52 weeks making 1 year. Therefore, in 10 years, we have 52 times 10 weeks. In 10 years. So we have 52 times 10. 52 times 10 is very simple. It's 520 weeks. So weeks in 10 years is 52 times 10, which is 520 weeks. So this is the end of this lecture. And please ask question in the comment section. Correct us where we are wrong. Like and share to other colleges of education students. Follow and subscribe to our channels so that once we upload new video, you will be notified. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet in the next class.